Hey, what's going on, guys? Today on the channel we're going to be cleaning up our locking hubs for the Scout, and then we're going to go ahead and get these installed right here. We got some rain coming in later on tomorrow, so want to get these on so the inside of the hubs don't get all wet right here. So first thing, we're just going to take these out of the bags right here and just kind of clean it up initially here. Let's go ahead and get that done here. So I'm just going to use a little bit of simple green on some rags right here, and I'm just going to kind of clean this up as best I can. And then after I get it all cleaned up, I'm going to go on ahead and I'm going to re-grease it here as well before putting everything back together here. I'm not going to spray the simple green directly inside of this right here. I just want to put it on a rag to help me get some of the surfaces clean right here. Looks like maybe some mud got in here or something. All right, so that's looking a bit better in there. Still a little bit of stuff in there, but it's a lot cleaner for the most part. So I think I'm gonna go with that right there. Okay, guys, so that looks a heck of a lot better than it did. So we're gonna go on ahead and use that right there. So let's get the other piece here now. Let's clean up our area here. I gotta clean that piece off here as well. All right, guys, so I'm just putting a little bit of grease on this right here. I'm also gonna put some grease on the inside of this right here just to help out a little bit, I guess, while I'm putting it together right here, and also while it's when it's working right here. So. Okay, guys, I think this is pretty much ready to go back on the truck right here. From my understanding, this just slides onto the hub, and then from there we'll go on ahead and install this lock washer, I guess, right here. This goes onto the axle shaft, and then from there we can put on the cover right here. So we're going to set this one off to the side. We're going to get the other one ready, and then we can go out and get these both on there. Okay, guys, so last but not least, we're going to go on ahead and clean up our caps right here. As you can tell, these things are pretty dirty here. So again, just going to take some simple green, kind of take it apart a little bit, clean it up as best I can. Down the road, we may replace these right here, but for right now, we're just going to try and reuse them. So we're going to go ahead and just get them cleaned up for now. Okay, I'd say it's looking a lot better. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a lot better here. So I am going to put some grease or some lubricant right along this area around here, just to help it kind of turn a little bit easier. So we'll go ahead and do that here real quick. Heck of a lot better right here. So I'm really not going to worry too much about this one. But again, just going to kind of clean it up a little bit right here, put a little bit of grease on it, and call it done. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be doing right here is we're just going to be putting some of this ultra black sealant on the hub before we install everything right here. This is going to help seal everything up. I'm going to be using some Loctite to hold this locking hub down right here. I'm sure that it does have a torque spec. However, I'm just going to tighten it snug with just my ratchet right here. In order to get the C-clip onto the other side of the shaft right here, I had to pry this out a little bit. Lastly, before we button this up, we put some more RTV around the outside, and then we're putting on the cap. And as for the screws for this cap, they just use a Allen key. We're not using any Loctite on these right here. These are just going to be snugged down with the Allen key right here. Okay, so that's going to do it for this side right here. We're going to move over to the other side and do the exact same thing.
All right, so that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you.